Good morning, MW, will killer game trading crypto. Welcome, retail fam. Yes. I know we did it again and again and again and again. I have to make a song about this again and again and again and again. We keep nailing it. We go long, we go short, we go long again, then we go short again, now we go long again, and now we go short again. And we keep nailing it into perfection again and again and again. It's really scary crap. Okay, Rita fam, I want to see some thumbs up. Check. If you can hear me, if everything's all right. The music is not running at this moment. I love you all. Let's get this show starting again. And if you're missing on this stream, you just don't like money. You don't like money, or you hate your own money, you want to lose it, whatever, I don't know what it is. But if you're not watching these streams, you're a thief of your own pockets. Yes. Thank you. Okay, what do I got over here? We've got Danny Dix. Good morning. Mama, bonjour, Mario. Raf. We got Muhammad Ali, Richard, Top Dog, Anna, Dika, Raul, Flex, Walid, Mario, Draftkick, Roy Groomatic. This is Bob, Rigo, G. F. Blaze, Egon, Craig, Tony, Alcapub, so Farino, Diana. What do I got? The Duke Kaufman, Castle Freedom, Carlo. Good morning, Bash. Nice to have you in, Bash. Trojan. What do we got? Irish Guy. What do we got? We got Crypto. What do we got? We got Freedom. We got Paul. We got Matic. We got Tamora. We got Pertinax. What do we got? Draft Bigs. Opticock, Facox. What do we got? John Doe Owen. We got Pertinax, Silva, Mario. Okay. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Yeah, guys, everything is hurting in my body. I've been doing some training the past days, and I've been forcing it a bit, so every part of my body is hurting like crazy. I can't even lift up my arms. It's really so bad. Okay, guys, welcome. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, why do you keep doing as MW is charting? Why isn't there any market maker out there, some super whale that is watching MW and tell them, well, we need to We need to wreck this MW and just break it up. Boom, 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 boom. No resistance. No, it's not happening. So we came in, boom, rejected. Second one, boom, rejected. And well, you know, it's not only the rejections down, it's also the bounces up because, you know, we got this box over this blue box, come in, and then over here you get that bounce again. It's, guys, I really have no clue what to tell you more. If for the ones that were in the live yesterday, I told you like 10 times on a row. I kept repeating myself. Guys, close longs, flip short, close longs, flip short, close long, flip short, go long, flip short, go long, flip short, flip short, flip short, flip short. I even gave you guys some really system breaking tips on the Sundays. What I told you Sunday, you know, Sunday, when it gets afternoon, Dutch time, you'll probably see a lot of red. It happened exactly. It's you know, I'm getting a bit tired from these predictions, to be honest with you guys. I'm really getting a bit tired because, you know, I don't like it too. I want to be wrong, and this is no joke or no. I want to get it wrong. I really mean this. I just want to get it wrong. I just want to get it wrong for one time. It's not so bad. If I'm gonna get it wrong, why not? Let's just be wrong for one time. I just want to be wrong. Just prove me wrong. One time, prove me wrong, guys. I want to be wrong. It's, you know, I hate it to be right every time. And, you know, and the thing is that most of the people that watch my live streams, they already know what's going to happen later in the day, and they act on it. By the way, guys, yesterday, in the free private, I shared a possible trade setup, and some didn't understand it well, etc. Listen, guys, the free private group is the best group on the webs. I know that for sure. But if you're an unexperienced trader, or you're not educated, or you don't have the time to educate yourself, or you don't want to educate yourself, yeah, something like, you know, I just don't care, go join the team. The team gives you explanations, and they give this stop loss and this entry zones, and they explain the trades, etc. That's not what I do. What I do is I educate people on daily basis, and when they see a chart of mine, they understand it. They understand what's going on. They know how to, they watch the trading course vids, and they know exactly how, the when, and what to do. And they understand my charts. And if you don't understand my chart, or you just don't have the time, or you're not willing, or maybe I don't care, the team, go to the team. They've got a paid group, go with them. They will share with you the entries, stop losses, whatever, all that information that you need. If you're too lazy to just understand them yourself. So that's for that. So you can DM me, or you can DM them. I'll put you through them to them. And well, they asked me yesterday if I was willing to put all my messages from the free private group through to their group. I was going to give them an answer yesterday, but I didn't. I'm still thinking about that one. Okay, guys. So let's get in here. By the way, guys, for the ones that want to join the best trading group, very simple trade on Blofin or Weex. Weex is almost releasing their new trading app. It's going to be a big success. So trade on Blofin or Weex, links are below. Read the description and you'll be added to the free private. Also, the indicator will be provided. By the way, a lot of people get added yesterday, I think. Yesterday, the day after. So Bitcoin, guys, what's going on? Bitcoin, yeah. Well, rejected, boom. And now we get into the blue zone, and now we get that bounce up. But let's go look how our whales are doing, how our whales doing. By the way, guys, yesterday I did the first Skype session with 4 members from the free private. It was really great. I enjoy them. I really enjoy them. I enjoy doing them, and I really love my retail fam. It was really, I think that they, you know, it's different when you're in a free private Skype session, that's when I'll be answering your question directly, straight into your face. So I think that a lot of people learn a lot based on that one. Let me see, how is Paxi doing? How's Pax? What's Pax going on? Okay, Pax. Okay, Pax. Well, over here, this was the scary part yesterday when you remember when I told you also, listen, it's time to close some shorts and to close your longs and to flip short. This is also one of the reasons, guys. Listen, look at this chart. We hit the daily indie on the PEX, and it was holding. It was holding over here. Do you see it? It was holding over here. It was holding, and then whoop, whoop. And now you see we're getting this rejection, and this is also what we're seeing on Bitcoin. That's that bounce. That's that bounce. So you see, these charts help you to when to take profits. They help you when to close your trades. These things help you. So let me put my indicator over here, and and we are just traveling and waiting for this one to get hit. Because when this one gets hit and this one gets hit, that's when we're gonna strike. And we're gonna strike very hard, and we gotta make a lot of money again. And then we'll see all those P&Ls like 1,000%, 2,000%, 500%, 800%. And then they ask, hey, MW, how do you keep doing that? If you would just join the free private and just watch my streams, you'll do the same. You will do the same. You'll do the same. It's that simple. It's that simple. So for now, this one is holding beautifully. Let me see. This one was closing below it. So this was a sort of a fake out, but we have this sort of a trend line. I like this trend line. I call it the trend lines. I call them always the amateur trend lines, because you've got some TA guys. They go on YouTube and they like these trend lines, and then they make a trend line like that. I tell them, listen, a boy of 5 years old can make a trend line like this. Don't think that you're some scientist or no, I'm a TA specialist. Why? Because I can make a trend line like this. Well, congrats. Listen, 3 years old, if you would tell him, okay, here's the line, make a line, he will make you this line. So we held this line over here. So this was the support over here. So this was also that one. So for now, we're also breaking out over here. So that's also something to keep in mind. We're breaking out of this one, something like this. You see the breakout. We might get a retest and then up again. So keep that in mind. By the way, guys, there's also something happened politically. I don't like to talk a lot about political stuff, like some other influencers, crypto influencers, out of the sudden become they become big political experts. I really have no clue what they're doing. But so for now, retesting this support, so be very careful, guys. If this thing starts ramping up again, it will create more blood. So if this thing's gonna hold, my alarms are set. You see? Let me put it down. You see over here? If over here we gotta bounce, more blood. So we got this up, down, retest, support, up. When this up happens, is blood. Capiche? Okay, so this is something very important. Guys, I'm training you guys to be winners. I'm training you guys to be professional traders. I'm training you guys that it doesn't matter what live show you're gonna watch. It doesn't matter what favorite crypto guru you're gonna watch. It doesn't matter if he has got 1 million followers, if he got 1 million subscribers, if he is the master of masters. I'm training you guys that when you are in one of those shows and he's showing you something, you will tell him, you are wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. Because I know what makes Bitcoin move. I know what makes markets move. I know when an altcoin goes sideways, up or down. I know because I've been taught by the best, and you're full of crap. That's what's gonna happen. I know for 1,000,000% sure that that's gonna happen. Okay, someone asked me, MW, how do you prepare your live streams? I don't. I wake up, I have my coffee, I look at the charts, I look at some DMs, I look at some Twitter, a little bit of that, and then I just open up the stream and I do my market analysis live with you guys. So I never ever prepared a show or a live stream. It's as real as it gets. That's it. I don't prepare nothing. So let me see, guys. Okay, what do we have? Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, let me see. Okay, we had this one. Let me see this. What happened yesterday? This is something we have to be eyeing. I said it yesterday, and everyone should understand this. What did I say yesterday in the live stream? Well, I started with this. What did I say? I told you exactly this. This chart never, ever, ever lets me down. Never, ever. I told you when we get into these red zones, you have to be careful. So if you are in any FOMO long, maybe it's time to take some profits. Because look, we go into the red zone and then you'll see Bitcoin start going. But now it's still showing some weakness over here. We still didn't get that. So be very careful when these guys start pumping up. So let me put on my alarm so you guys can do it together with me on your own charts. So this is just live analyzing, live planning. I'm taking you with me. So if you're watching this stream, you can also open up your laptop or your desktop and just do the same as I do. It's free, guys. I'm giving you guys this for free. But while I'm giving it for free, I see that I don't have enough likes on my stream. So push that like, please, while I'm giving you this all for free. So push that like. It's the only way how we can grow, guys. So push the like, please. It's the only way how YouTube, because I also have no, how do they call it? Monetizing. I got no monetizing on this live stream. I'm not making any money. I don't even enable it. I don't give a crap about those pennies YouTube will pay me for what? For making live streams. I don't need it. So it's off. It's off. I didn't even enable it. So there is no monetizing on this live stream. So that's why they also, if I want to swear or do whatever, I don't care. There are no rules. When you monetize your live streams to make money, that's when they will want you to this and that or whatever. So it's off. I just put it off. So push on the like, please. Okay, that's that. And let us see another one. Our longs, because our longs did not do as we analyzed. The theory did not work out. The longs started going down, as you guys can see over here. See it? They started going down. So they started going down with Trumpy getting his thing yesterday, and also with Powell. So they didn't do it. So this theory is out of the box. This theory did not work out like this one. This one, I didn't get this theory right. So maybe this is, yeah, I was wrong about this one. Finally, I found something that I'm wrong about. So this didn't work out. Let me go to Coinbase. What's Coinbase doing? Coinbase, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Well, what's going on, Coinbase? What do you want? Okay, we lost this one. And now you get this bounce up. Let me tell you, Coinbase next level is this one. It's just a matter of time. This is no if, this just when. So I think that Coinbase will come here. And if Coinbase will come into these regions, it's a buying opportunity, guys. It's a buying opportunity. Remember what I'm saying. Push those damn alarms in. I'm taking you with me through the markets. It's an opportunity. Okay. So that's about that. Today, I wanted to talk about something else. I wanted to talk a bit about the dominance. So let's go to the dominance chart and let's see what's going on over there, because we're getting a little bit of FOMO on some altcoins. And you know, when the shilling machine goes on and some altcoins will start ramping up while they shouldn't, that's when MW comes in play. That's when MW comes to its thing. That's when I'll be, okay, there you are. Okay, here I am. And that's when you'll see all those crazy P&Ls. So for now, guys, we hit the 58. That's mind-blowing. This thing is just doing, oh my God, look at this. This is, guys, this thing going up. This is bad news. This is really bad news. It wants to go hit that 59, 60% level. Guys, this is really, well, it's looking good for us. but it's not so looking so good for the others. For us, it's good because why? If this thing boop ramps up, we'll probably get filled on a lot of altcoins. But if this thing goes together with Bitcoin, just for you guys to understand, let me explain you guys. Let me explain you guys. You need to understand this. You need to understand this. You need to understand this, because a lot of people don't understand the dominance chart. Suppose that Bitcoin would go up. Bitcoin would go up and dominance goes up together with it. And it gets rejected down over here. That means that altcoins will dump less than Bitcoin. So that's when we will come in play. That's when we will be trading a lot of altcoins long, the strong ones, the ones that are destroying the dominance pair, the BTC pair. So we're gonna trade that. So for now, this breakout, guys, this is good news for us, but it's very bad news for a lot of crypto bag holders. Let me tell you that. So, okay, that was about the market update. Oh, no, I forgot. No, very important. US 500. We didn't talk about it. We didn't talk about it. Now, listen. This was the bounce that you're seeing. So they're bouncing together with Bitcoin. Guys, we are in the zone. We just are in the zone. So I don't know. We're very close. 2 days left for Powell. So maybe they'll ramp it up to these levels over here, or maybe even here. So this is the make or break for us in crypto, guys. This is what's going to determine where we're going. If this thing is going to get, in my opinion, it doesn't matter what's going to happen. If whatever Powell is doing, 25 points, or he's gonna do 50 points. I don't think he will do 50 points, by the way. I think that he will do 25 points if he will do it. So I think it's 25 or nothing. But 25 has more, I think more 25, but I don't think that we'll get a 50. I just don't think so. But if that happens and the DXY will dump even more, so let me show you. Focus what I'm gonna talk about. Focus on what I'm gonna say now. Suppose, because you see this DXY is getting totally liquefied. If the DXY will get into this level, suppose that the Fed will raise rates, will cut rates, and you'll see a big dump down over here. The only thing I can tell you is helmets. Helmets, helmets, helmets. I'm telling you, helmets. If this thing drops down to these levels, put your helmet on. Because that's what's going to happen, in my opinion. I think that we'll get a scammy. If you will cut rates, we'll get a scammy like boom, poof. And then it goes up again. And when this goes up, I already explained you guys. I don't know if you watched my BTC chart versus the DXY macro chart. I shared it maybe like 2 weeks ago. Guys, that's the most important chart to watch. That's what makes you financial independence. That's what makes you a lot of money. So whatever happens, whatever will happen. So either if you whatever happens after Powell, it's time to be cautious. It's time to start being very cautious on a lot of bags that you hold, because we might get that dump. We might get that dump. I know that CT is telling you otherwise. CT is telling you a whole other story. Well, let them tell their story. My story is very clear. My story is after Powell, we have to be very cautious, because you could have that pump while Powell is talking or doing whatever he wants, and maybe even one day after you'll get some more green. But after it, you have to get prepared for blood. I've said it. Remember it, and I hope to get it wrong. I really hope to get it wrong. So I really hope to get it wrong, for the sake of the bag holders. I really hope to get it wrong. I don't think I'm wrong, but I hope to get it wrong. Okay, guys. Now it's time for Degen, and it's time for altcoins, and it's time for what are we buying, what are we longing, what are we shorting, what are we going to do. So I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds. Put your questions in, put your altcoins in, because guys, a lot of altcoins are doing very strange stuff. So I want you to show me some altcoins, some new projects. I saw also some YouTube shows with titles of wheels are only buying this altcoin, or this two altcoins will be the future, this and that, because I've been seeing a lot of influencers sharing particular bags. But you know, I don't have the time to watch that all, and I don't watch zero of it, by the way. I only see the titles come by. So if you're seeing, oh wait a minute, that coin, they're shilling that coin, whatever, share it in the chat, and I will be charting it now and give my honest, objective opinion about it. So push the like, share me. I'll be back in 10 seconds. A Thai massage? I love Thai massages. I love Thai massages. But no ending, please. No ending, please. No ending. Normal ending. I want to go home. No ending. Just massage. Just massage, please. Just massage, nothing else. Now, okay, guys, let's go into the altcoins. It's okay. Let me see. Did I share this chart yesterday? I shared this chart yesterday. Guys, if you're in this YouTube, so you really need to follow me on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, all the action happens on Twitter. I shared this chart yesterday. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go into some altcoins. Before I go into your altcoins, I want to show you guys some of the altcoins I'm eyeing. Oh, what is this? What is this chart? Oh yeah, this was the chart shared in the free private yesterday. Boom, boom. Guys, by the way, in the free private, for you guys in the free private, if you're in the free private, guys, when I share a chart like this, well, you got this dump. If it bounces up, the trade stays the same. Nothing changes. So you make money, you get out, take your profits, bounces up. It could be a next trade. I'm just saying. Okay, well, Pixel also. This one wasn't shared. This one was crazy. This one, I was talking to the team, and they were telling me we need to make some money. We need to be MW. And then I shared them this one. I told them here, if you want to make some money, here, breaks this one, go, boom. They made some money. Okay, then we got this one. Oh, this one also. This one, the team shorted this one just to piss off Alex Becker and Elio. Just to piss those two guys off. Why not short the crap out of that one? Let me go. Tia, what's Tia doing? Tia, I don't know. Tia is there was a question with the retail member. You don't, if you want to short coins that are a little bit at higher levels. Don't short coins that are at already dropped a lot. Bobcat, congrats to everyone that took this trade, guys. Look at this. Bang! Bang! I would have give this call. I would have do it. I didn't see it. My alarms were also not on this one. But, you know, if you just follow me, and I talked about this. This was the gray zone. This is where you open up your short and boom down. So, but maybe Bobcat wants to come back. So, I don't know. But, you know, for now, congrats to all the... I see all those P&Ls coming by. It's really madness. And then we got this one. Let me just tell you that, listen, The team in their paid group, they're really destroying this. In the free private group, my group, guys, I told you, 17 cents until 25 cents. Just put in those damn orders. It's basically free money. It's free money. Just put that order. Hit. Profits, take it. Hit. Profits, take it. Hit. Profits, take it. The team has been doing this over here. But you guys, because you know, I do the safe. I don't like to risk. I don't like to my retail fam to get wrecked or liquefied. So I always share whatever is safe out there. And look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could have made 8 trades over here. 8 hits. 8 hits, and you would have made 8 winning trades. I explained this into details in the weekend, how you should do this. So it's mind-blowing if you're not making any money on this. It's very simple. I don't know even what to say, really. Arbitrum also shared this. Oh, this one is shared in the team. The team in their group. They nailed this one. See this? See this drop? Are you seeing this? The team shared this one in their group. This is the money thing. Listen, those guys, you know, I'm against any paid programs, and I'm still against it. Nothing will change that. But for the ones that are paying that, I don't know. It's if you would take a monthly, it's 150, I think, and 3 months, it's 125. I don't know what it is. But if suppose that you paid that, these guys are the best educated traders out there. I educated them myself. These guys, if you just would take only this trade, your monthly payment and much more is already back. You made it back in just one day. Because these guys are no amateurs. These guys are no amateurs. Listen, look at this. Congrats, team. Congrats. Very strong. So let me go to Sui. I want to talk about Sui. Yes, Sui. This is what I want to see. Sui is the best. The shilling machine is making over hours at this moment. You know, it's always MW against the marketing machine. You know, that's just what I love. I like to make a competition out of it. I love these guys when they start shilling. Everyone is Sui, this, Sui that, Sui this, Sui that. Okay. I'll be waiting over here. So keep pushing those likes and reposts, shilling machine, and Sui this, Sui that. I'll be waiting. I am waiting for you guys. I've been waiting for you for long days. I don't know, this chart was made like, what was it, a week ago? I'll be waiting for you. Just come. Bring it. Come. HNT. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Okay, let me go to the chat. I want to go to you guys. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Where do we go? LDO. Yes, LDO. I'm seeing some shillers talking about LDO. LDO is going to the moon. LDO is going to make a lot of highs, etc. I didn't chart it, so I'm gonna do it together with you now. So thank you for sharing this coin. Let me see. Why LDO? There is some shilling machine going on. Yeah, you see LDO. This, when you see arrow down, means that I gave the short call on this one. Well, congrats. Damn it, I just want to be wrong one time. Show me a chart when I'm wrong. Let me remove this all. Okay. LDO. Why is the shilling machine so interested in LDO? There's something going on in LDO. Okay, LDO. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to watch this level, and then we're going to watch this level. And then now I'm going into my other screen to see how this coin is doing in their tokenomics. And then we're going to do LDO. LDO. Are we going to make some money in LDO, guys? Let's see if we're going to make some money in LDO. Let me see if there's some money to be made over here. Okay, let me see. Is there some money to be made on LDO? Listen, guys, first of all, we are at this is really strong support. Let me be clear about that one. So this zone, LDO, whatever it want to do in their lives, LDO really needs to hold this level. From which I doubt it's going to happen. So LDO, I see that a lot of people are talking about LDO. So what we're going to do is, if this thing is not going to hold, this is our buy zone. And I'll be probably also buying some LDO. So that just in case you guys know it. So this level. So what is this? LDO. What is it? It's exactly at $1 now. Oh, okay. So LDO, if I want to buy some LDO, it has to be around the 65 cents. Yes, I know, guys. Don't hate me, please. And if you're holding any LDO, listen to what I'm saying. This, if this level is 87 cents holds, this is super bullish for LDO. We might get a strong bounce up. But you know, I don't care. I just don't care. That's just me. If I will miss this bounce up from LDO, so be it. So be it. There are like 1,000 other coins that I can trade, can buy. Maybe I'll trade it, but I'm not gonna buy it. Buy it spot, hodling. No, I will not buy it for sure. Not on these levels. So for me, it's, let's just say, if you want to be conservative, you start this year buying at 68 cents until the 50 cents. So over here, this blue zone, this is where I'll probably buy some LDO. But let me just say, guys, let me be clear about this. Now, based on now, what I'm seeing now, this is bullish, looking bullish. It held support over here, here. You see this bounce up? We're seeing the same thing happen over here. So we might get a strong bounce up if the markets allow over here on LDO. It's looking good. I will put some alarms in also because I might trade it. I might gonna trade it. Maybe I'm gonna trade it up if the markets will allow. So over here, as you guys can see, this sick indicator, rejected, rejected. So let me put my alarm in. I suggest that you guys do the same because I'll probably be trading this one. I'm not interested in buying it, but I'll probably no. I'll probably be buying it. Maybe yes. Yes, this would be a sort of a breakout. So keep this level in mind. If we're gonna break up above the 112, 113, this could be very bullish for LDO, guys. So you might make some money over here. Let me give you guys another. So you watch. This would be a target, and you could eye this one as a target. So if you want to trade this, these are the moves you can make up. So that's about LDO. Okay, LDO. Okay, thanks for sharing, by the way. LDO. Okay, now we've got like a Fala. Fala, yes. Fala is also one. AI, this, Polkadot. I like Fala. So let's do Fala. Let's do Fala. Let's do Fala. Fala network. Oh, it's in the box. It's in the box. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. These coins really. Fala. You know, guys, I have to trade based on what I think will happen, and based on what I think will happen means that I'll only buy Fala at these levels. So 85 cents and below. That's about Fala. Let me go to the next one. Let's see. Watch the ETH BTC pair. Yes. Let me give a quick check on that one also, because we've been talking about it. Where is it? My ETH, altcoins, ETH BTC. Where are we, by the way? Where are we? We talked about this. Where are we? Where are we? Ah! We hit it. Oh my God. You see it? You see this? You see this? Remember when I told you when you get over here, flip some ETH into Bitcoin. Remember, guys, we hit it. Oh my God. Did we already? Guys, this is bullish for altcoins. Guys, this is really bullish for altcoins. We hit it. We are there. We didn't hit it perfectly, but we hit it. You could say that we hit it. My alarm didn't go off, by the way. How is that possible? We hit it. So for the ones that flipped over here, congrats if you're in this bounce. But this is, oh my God, we already hit this one. It's too soon, in my opinion, guys. It's too soon. We hit it too soon. We hit it too soon, but you know, now you have to keep an eye on ETH and everything ETH related. You have to keep an eye on ETH, guys. This LDO is, by the way, also ETH related, in my opinion. Yes. LDO is probably a liquid staking solution for Ethereum and Polygon. Yes, guys, you have to listen. If ETH will start showing strength over here. Wait a minute, 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 wait a minute. Oh my God, only this would trigger it up. Oh my God. This, guys, you see? We hit the zone that I pointed out and ETH started ramping up against Bitcoin. Yes. Okay, I have to think about this one. I really have to think about this one, because this comes together with what I told you guys in the beginning of the stream about the dominance chart. Because if we're gonna get that rise up or not, we're gonna dump down. This will show a lot more strength into altcoins. If ETH will start ramping up over here, guys, listen what I'm saying. Listen. If this thing starts ramping up over here and breaks this sort of a trend line over here, this sort of falling wedge over here, if we get something like this, if this thing breaks out over here and breaks the indicator and goes to travel to these zones, there could be a lot of altcoins that will shine. A lot of altcoins could pump. You know, the only thing that we need is Bitcoin not to make big dumps. So if Bitcoin would go to 56, 55, 53, 54, it doesn't matter. And it goes a bit sideways, with choppy around, up, down, in the range between 53 and 60K levels. If it will go like this. So you'll see something like Bitcoin just like it's now, it dumps and then do like this, and then it dumps and then do like this, and then do like this. Then we'll get a box like this. In the meanwhile, if this thing starts ramping up over here, a lot of altcoins, especially the ETH altcoins and, you know, coins that are very highly shielded, they could make big moves up. You could make like a 2, 3, 4x, while Bitcoin is just going sideways. This can happen, guys, as long as Bitcoin doesn't do something like this. But what you see a lot of times, even if it does something like this, it's always a buying opportunity on altcoins, because it bounces up. And while this bounce happens, those altcoins will make bigger gains than when they were over here. Let me explain this. And I need to explain this very good, because a lot of retailers need to understand. I never talked about this. This is something very important. Let me zoom it out a bit so I've got some space. Let me show you guys something. Suppose Bitcoin is now over here. Let me just give like LDO. LDO is at $1. Bitcoin over here is at, let's say, 60K. Okay? Bitcoin dumps down to 55K. Just an example. LDO will drop down to around 85 cents, for example. Yes? And then Bitcoin bounces up to 58, for example. But when this chart goes up, just like I'm explaining you, LDO, when it goes up, it goes to, for example, 130, while Bitcoin is at 58K. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain, you guys? This is very important to understand, because this is what's gonna, where is it? Oh my God, this thing. Where is it? Where the creep is it? It disappeared. Okay, but you get my point. So meaning, when this thing starts ramping up and Bitcoin makes a dump and you'll buy the blood, like I always keep telling you, just buy every blood, especially the ones ETH related at that moment, they will, when Bitcoin bounces up to 58K, the LDO was $1 when Bitcoin was 60K and 85 cents when it dumped. But when Bitcoin only goes to like 57, 58, LDO could make a run up to 130, 150. It's just how crypto works. And it has everything to do with this chart. Because when this one starts ramping up again over here, altcoins, especially the ETH coins, they will shine. They will shine. And you'll see those P&Ls, like you see red markets, and then you see like 20, 30 altcoins making 20%, 30%, 40%. But don't worry. I'm here. That's my job. That's my job every day, again and again. All those altcoins that are wanting to pump up against markets or against Bitcoin, etc. That's my job. Just follow me on Twitter. I'll share whatever I can, and follow me on my live streams, and also join the free private. That's where I'll be sharing more detailed stuff. Or go follow those freaks of the team. So that's about that. I thank you very much for showing me that. Vera, not gonna Mr. Ozzy, come on. Vera, come on, bro. Vera, is there still live in Real Naka? And also gaming. What is it? Can Indica work on indices and metals? Yes, it for sure can. This is more about educating. Yes, thank you very much. Bash, you're a hero guy, bro. Thank you very much. Let's see, great alpha, so you have to go, GRT, CRV economics is good. Okay, let's see, CRV. We already talked about CRV, but let's do it again. Why is what's going on with the CRV? By the way, guys, I asked you something in the chat. What are the shilling? What altcoins are they shilling? What altcoins are they like the top 2 or top 3 altcoins that are so interested in? What are they? CRV is really, bro, CRV is super wrecked. CRV, so if you might get a dump, oh my God, CRV is really so, where is it? 26 cents, oh my God. Wait a minute, what did it hit? You know, I lost track of CRV. What is this? It hit 18 cents. Oh my God, CRV. Oh my God, CRV. Let me see. One moment, guys. Are we going to make some money on CRV? Maybe we will. Because they had something going on, but maybe we will. What is this? Okay. They still got a fully diluted market cap because he said good tokenomics. Don't agree on this one, bro. I don't agree with the good tokenomics. They still have a fully diluted market cap of 570. Well, this is an old dog. You know, these guys are over here from 2020, maybe even before it. So no, that's not good, bro. They should be in the fully diluted market cap, should be much better. They've got a 320. So it could make some nice money at 2x or 3x or 4 or 5x on this one, possibly. But would this be one of the coins in my top 20? No, definitely not. Tau is on, is one of Shilla's. Tau, okay, I don't know what they're shilling, doesn't watch the stream anymore. Okay. Well, I'll see them. I can, when I do my research, I'll see them. Nice call on Firma Chain, top dog. Is that so? Did I make a nice call on that one? I don't know. Let me see. Did I make a nice call on that one? Listen, this is one of those. Let me see. They call FCT2. Yes, USDT. Oh, here it was. Listen, bro. This is what I do. You know, you've got these. Let me see. What is it? Let me put it on the 1 hour. What did it do? Okay. Okay, nice call. Okay, well, congrats. Take some profits. When did I talk about this? Over here somewhere? I don't know. How much did it do? 30%. Well, congrats. Take the profits. Take the profit. You know, guys, you have to understand. When I share altcoins, I don't share altcoins based on because they're paying me to do so. No. I've got my tools. I know how to do my research. That's just what I do. And I watch where the money is flowing. And when the money is flowing, I do my research on the altcoin, if they're solid, if the tokenomics are good, and etc., etc. And when I see potentials of altcoins, I share them with you. And, you know, I know I've been in contact with some influencers that they told me, MW, you're crazy. Why don't you just get paid? These guys will pay you, really. Especially you've got a very strong, maybe the strongest community out there. Do you know that if some altcoin, if you will accept, they will pay you sick money if you want to talk about an altcoin? I told that's the exact, you gave the exact answer. You can answer your own. I've got a very strong community. Why do I have a strong community? Because these guys, they trust me. They know that I will not take money to get them wrecked. And there is no money in the world that will make me do that. No money in the world will make me do that. So that's why I've got a strong community. And that's also the reason why I'm on CT, to protect these guys from these scams. So I'll tell them exactly how to protect their funds. And I don't care about all that money. Oh, MBU, one of a kind. I don't understand. Well, just get the F out of here. Okay, well, let me go to the next one. Let me go to the next one. Okay, we've got turbo is pumping. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, guys, then we're gonna close it up. I wanna do Tau. Yes, I think I have to do Tau. I really have to do Tau. I agree with you. I have to do Tau. I have to do these big ones. Tau. Let's use the KuCoin chart. Let's use this one. Let's choose this one. God, what is this now? I need another chart. There's more. Is this really Tau? Is this really happening? Let me see. Let me use Binance chart. Huh? No, it is impossible. Tau, let me use the MACD chart. Let's use this one. Is this really happening, guys? This is the chart that I'm looking for. This is my chart. Tau. Let me say it once, and then we're gonna close it up. You know, guys, just for the ones in this live stream that don't know me or are new in here, I've been killing CT over here, telling people to get out of Tau, because it was like Tau was the new Bitcoin or whatever. At some point, people thought that Tau was the new Bitcoin. I told them, just get the freak out of here. Bro, I'm not interested in Tau. It's very simple. I'm still not interested in Tau. I'm only interested in Tau if we'll revisit these levels over here. You remember when I gave the call to buy in here? Congrats if you made this bounce. And I will be over here or even lower. I don't care. I want it here, Tau. I just don't care, and I'm not interested. If it bounces up, well, congrats to the Tau holders or army. I'm not interested. I want this thing to come down to, I want real blood. I'm just like Warren Buffett. I'm the Warren Buffett of crypto. I love Warren Buffett. If you want to love someone, if there is one guy I respect in economics, it's Warren Buffett. That's the only guy that I respect. I love the guy. And I hope he will live another 100 years. Warren Buffett is really my role model. I would like to challenge Warren Buffett someday. I really hope. That's my dream. To challenge, to do a trading competition with Warren Buffett. That's my dream. That's my goal. Not some crypto guru called Zola making 10 predictions and whatever. They're always telling you what's going to happen in 2 months, or the Dr. Laws, or all these marketing experts. These are the people that I want to compete with. Like Warren Buffett, bro, this guy, I love him. So for me, I don't care. Everything below 150 is for me, or 120 to the 100. So everything is a DCA buy, so not over here. Definitely not over here. So it might go up, fine. I might trade it, fine. I'm not interested in Tau, especially with this tokenomics. I'm just not interested. Tau is for me the same as SUI. In my opinion, I have no proof of this, and I don't know it. When you see like 3, 4, 5 big influencers having the same coins in their portfolio, I think, I have no proof, I cannot prove it, but I think that they're paying them to do so. And why would I pay people to talk about my project? Why would I? There's only one answer to that. Because these people have to pay them a lot of money. And how am I going to get that money back as the owner? I need to sell my bags. I need to sell bags to be able to pay these people to talk about my project. So keep that in mind. Just keep this in mind, what I just said. I have no proof, but that's how I see it. Very simple. Guys, I love you all. If you want to indicate a trade on Blofin or Weex, the links are below. Weex is almost releasing their new boom trading app. I love you all. Thanks for joining in, and maybe until tomorrow again we're gonna do a next stream. I love you all. Have a nice one. Thank you, and bye-bye.